If you have a 09 to 18 Dodge Ram, you know better than I do that the stock mirror lights suck. Today we're going to show you the Morimoto XB LED mirror light. These should make you second guess simply adding LED bulbs to your stock housing. The XB LED mirror lights from us look amazing, are well built, and virtually have an infinite lifespan. They come with a beautiful sequential sequence and a beautiful, more brilliant white light puddle light. With the high-powered OSRAM LED behind the optical lens, they'll be much more effective both day and night compared to the OEM design. Their UV-coated polycarbonate lens will resist the test of time, ensuring they look good as new for many years to come. Our LED mirror lights for your Ram are designed to work without any modifications. They will plug into the factory connectors. No error codes, no flicking, hyper-flashing, or radio interference. They easily can be removed and will not void your factory warranty. We've seen it all, and our fit and finish is far superior to anything else on the market, and that's guaranteed. And that's everything you need to know about your XB mirror lights. Check out more on morimotolighting.com. We have XB headlights, fog lights, and much more for your Ram.